Hello teacher, good morning. My name is Bernardo Daniel Contreras Gonzalez and this is my video about me, remember use first, then after that and finally. First I get up by making my bed, then I take a bath to be fresh and get ready. Then I get dressed and arrange my backpack and my breakfast. After that, I start my car and let it warm up for 5 minutes once I'm on my way to the university. Therefore, I take the classes that are normally from 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Then I leave the university and go directly to the gym. I train for 3 hours and at around 3:30 p.m. Return to my house. Then I eat something. After that, I go up to my room to the pending tasks or works, finishing my homework, and look at the cell phone for a while. Time passes and I go back to have something eat until 8 p.m. Finally at 10:30 and am in my bed well covered and going to sleep. Thank you, teacher.